If you want to delete your browsing data safely in Chrome, this quick guide will show you the easiest way to do it without confusion. Clearing browsing data is a simple way to remove your history, cookies, cached files, and other saved information that may build up over time. It can also help fix loading issues, sign-in problems, or just give your browser a fresh start. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. All right, let's get into it. First, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your computer. Then press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time on your keyboard. This is the fastest shortcut to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Once that window appears, you'll see a time range option near the top. Click the drop-down menu and choose the time period you want to clear. If you only want to remove recent activity, you can select Last Hour. If you want to remove everything, choose All Time. Next, look through the browsing data options and make sure the data you want to remove is selected. In most cases, you'll want browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. If you only want to clear one type of data, you can leave the rest unchecked. This step is important because it lets you control exactly what gets deleted. After you've selected the browsing data you want to clear and confirmed the time range, you're ready for the final step. Click the Delete Data button. Chrome will now remove the selected data from your browser. Depending on how much data you have, this may take a few seconds. Once it's finished, your browsing data has been cleared safely. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete browsing data in Chrome the quick and safe way. If you found this useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy browser tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.